purpose?
Say to mommy, what did you do? What did you do? What's that? Tell me. No. I'm talking to you. So tell me, what happened? What's that? What's that on your hands?
I don't want to take a shower.
No, I'm asking you, what did you do on your hands?
Painting.
Painting?
Yeah.
I told you to write on the paper only, not on your skin. Look at that. You look like you have a tattoo. Do you want that to go inside your skin? Do you want this to go inside your skin and you will have boo-boo?
No.
So what will you do now? Shower?
Yeah.
Okay, get inside the washroom now. Do you want that to get inside your skin?
Honey.
It will not remove anymore. See, I told you not to write on your skin. What will you do now? What will you do now? Swimming.
Yes.
Okay, go. Let's go. Let's go. See? What did you do on your skin? Go. Do you like that to get inside your skin now?
No.
Okay. Promise mommy you're not gonna do that anymore.
I'm not do it anymore.
Promise?
Promise.
Mommy,
Mommy,
don't get mad.
don't get mad.
Okay. Say sorry.
Sorry.
Say sorry to your hands.
Sorry, my hands.
What will you promise to your hands? Say sorry to your hands.
Sorry, my hands.
Can you kiss your hands? Uh-oh.